Today I will teach you the lesson about distribution property to simplify an expression. So let's start with the warm-up. We have learned how to combine like terms. So let's start to do number 1. If we have 5x plus 9y plus x plus a plus 2y plus 1, so we realize that 5x plus x can go together, so we're going to put them together. And then we realize that 9y plus 2y can go together, and then plus a plus 1. So 5x plus x equals 6x, 9y plus 2y equal 11y, a plus 1 equal 9. So the answer is going to be 6x plus 11y plus 9. For number 2, we're going to rewrite the problem when we combine the like terms. So negative 5x plus x is going to go together, plus 9y plus negative 2y minus a plus 1. So negative 5x plus x equal negative 4x. 9y plus negative 2y is going to be 7y. Minus a plus 1 equal 7. So negative 4x plus 7y minus 7. Negative a plus 1 equal negative 7. So the answer is going to be the second one. So let's have a quick review for multiplication rules. If we have positive times positive, the sign of the answer is going to be positive. Positive times negative, the sign is going to be negative. Negative times positive, the sign of the answer is going to be negative. And negative times negative, the sign of the answer is positive. So let's start. Negative 4 times positive 10, the answer is going to be negative 40. Negative 12 times negative 5, the answer is going to be positive 60. 5 times negative 9, the answer is going to be negative 45. And negative 6 times negative 6, the answer will be positive 36. So the next problem I give you is 5 times to the quantity of 10 and 8. So using 6th grade knowledge, we know PEMDAS. PEMDAS tells us that we have to take care of the parentheses, right? So we have to take care of 10 plus a, which equal 18. And then we multiply 18 with 5. So if we do 18 times 5, 5 times a is 40. So 90. So the answer is going to be 90. Is there another way we can do it? Yeah, I think so. So we can say these 5 groups of 10 and a. So the simplified way to say it is 5 groups of 18. So we can take 18 plus 18 plus 18 plus 18 and plus 18, and that's still equal 1890. So today I would like to teach you how to use a distribution property, right? So we're going to start with 5. Inside the parentheses we have 2 elements. We have 10 and we have a. So we're going to start with 5 times the first one is 10. So we have 5 times 10. And then we keep the sign, we bring it down. It is a plus sign. And then we're going to take 5 multiplied with a. So 5 times 10 equal 50. 5 times a equal 40. 50 plus 40 equal 90. So now how can we use the distribution property to simplify an expression? We have 5 times 10x plus 8. So this means we have 5 groups of the quantity 10x and a. Okay, so that means we need to write 10x plus a 5 times. So let's combine like term. We realize that 10x and 10x and 10x and 10x and 10x are like terms, so we can combine them, and we have 50x in total. We have all the a are constant, so they are like terms, so we have 40. So the final answer is going to be 50x plus 40. So how can I use the distribution property to solve this problem? So let's start to rewrite it. We have 5 10x plus a. So I have 5. I will circle 5. So that's going to be the main one. Inside the parenthesis, I have two terms. I have 10x and I have 8. So I will start to multiply. I will take 5, multiply with the first term 10x. So I will have 5 times 10x. Okay. Then I will bring down the sign, which is addition. And then I will take 5 multiplied by the next term, which is 8. So 5 times 8. 5 times 10x is 50x. 5 times 8 is 40. So we get the same answer. So now we go to this problem. We have 3 times to the quantity of negative 2x and 5. So we need to rewrite the problem. The outside number we have is 3. So let's circle 3. Inside the parenthesis we have two terms. We have negative 2x and we have 5. So let's start to use the distribution. So the first one we take is 3 times to the first term, negative 2x. So we have 3 times negative 2x. And then we drop down the sign, which is addition. And then we take 3 times to the second term, which is 5. 3 times 5. So the first step here is 3 times negative 2x plus 3 times 5. My bad. Plus 3 times 5. 3 times negative 2x, we know that's going to be a negative answer, negative 6x. 3 times 5, which equals 15. So the final answer is negative 6x plus 15. So the next problem, the coefficient is not the positive number anymore. Right now we have negative 5 times 10x plus 8. So this means the opposite value of 5 times 10x plus 8. Okay, so if you find out the value of 5 times 10x plus 8, then you just put the opposite value and you get to the answer. So let's start with this one. We have 5 times 10x plus 8, so we need to circle the 5. Okay, and inside parentheses we have two terms. We have 10x and 8. So we're gonna have 5 times 10x plus 5 times 8. 5 times 10x is 50x plus 5 times 8 is 40. So now we're going to take the opposite value. So 50 right here is the positive, right? So the opposite of positive 50x is going to be negative 50x. The opposite of 40 is going to be negative 40. Are you with me? So that's what it means. But how can we do it without doing two steps? We're going to combine them combine those two steps together. So we're going to start to rewrite the problem. Negative 5 times 10x plus a. So now instead of just circle the 5, right, I will circle the whole thing, which is negative 5. And inside parentheses, I have 10x and I have a. So I will start to take negative 5 times 10x. So I have negative 5 multiplied by 10x. I keep the sign, which is addition, and then I take negative 5 multiplied with a. Remember, we cannot put the positive and the negative together, so we have to put them in parentheses. So negative 5 times a. So negative 5 times 10x is going to be negative 50x. Negative 5 times a is going to be negative 40. And we dropped out the addition. Okay. So let's try this one. We have negative 4 times 6x minus 3. So we need to circle the whole negative 4. So inside parentheses we have 6x and we have negative 3. Okay. So we're going to start to multiply negative 4 to the first term, which is 6x. So we're going to write negative 4 times 6x. Okay, this is the tricky part. We need to rewrite the problem. Okay, so we need to say negative 4 times 6x plus negative 3. Okay, because we learned how to rewrite the subtraction as addition of the negative. So we can take negative 4 times 6x and negative 4 times negative 3. So we can rewrite it. And then we can drop out the addition. Now the second term, we can take negative 4 times negative 3. Okay. So negative 4 times 6x plus negative 4 times negative 3, which is the second one. Okay. You with me? So negative 4 times 6x is going to be negative 24x. Negative 4 times negative 3 is going to be positive 12. So that is the answer. Okay, so let's try those 4 problems. If we have 4 times the quantity of 2x plus 3, so we're going to take 4 times the first one, which is 4 times 2x. We keep the sign, which is the plus, and then we take 4 times the second term, which is 3. So 4 times 3. 4 times 2x equal ax. 4 times 3 equal 12. Okay. The next one we have is negative 4. So keep in mind, this is the negative, right? So negative 4 times 2x, we're going to write negative 4 times 2x. We keep the sign, which is addition. And then we take negative 4 times the second term, which is 3. So negative 4 times 3. Negative 4 times 2x is negative ax. Negative 4 times 3, which equal negative 12. We dropped out the addition. So the answer is going to be negative ax plus negative 12. So we do the same thing. 5 times b, right? Minus 3. So we need to rewrite it. When we see the minus, we need to rewrite the problem, which equals 5 times b plus negative 3. Okay, so we have 5 times b. We're done with the first term. The second term is 5 times negative 3. Are you with me? Yes. So 5 times b equals 5b. 5 times negative 3 equals negative 15. And we put the addition down. So now we realize that there is a negative between the b and the 3. So we need to rewrite the problem. So negative 5 times b plus negative 3. Okay, so we're gonna circle the negative 5, so we're gonna say negative 5 times the first term, which is b. Then we drop out the addition, then we take negative 5 multiplied by the second term, negative 5 times negative 3. So negative 5 times b is negative 5b. Negative 5 times negative 3, which equals positive 15, and we dropped out the addition. Okay, so for this problem, if you look at all four, you're going to see the number, the coefficient, not always standing in front of the quantity, right? Right now it's standing in the back. So let's try to find out, are they the same? So first of all, we need to rewrite the problem. So negative 7 multiplied by 3m plus negative 9. Okay, and we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna take negative 7 multiplied by the first term, which is 3m. Then we drop out the addition, and then we take negative 7 again multiplied by the second term, which is negative 9. Negative 7 times 3m is gonna be negative 21m. Negative 7 times negative 9, which equals positive 63. So that is the answer. Okay, so how can we deal with when the negative 7 go to the back? So we're gonna rewrite the same thing, 3m plus negative 9, and then multiply with negative 7. Okay, so we're gonna take the first term, 3m multiply with negative 7. So we're gonna have 3m multiplied by negative 7. Okay, and then we drop down the addition, then we take the second term, which is negative 9, and multiply with negative 7. So 3m times negative 7 equals negative 21m. Negative 9 times negative 7, which equals positive 63. So we get the same answer. Okay, so you're going to try the other two. So now we have not two terms inside the parenthesis, we have three terms now. So how can we deal with it? So I will start with the first one. So I have a, I will circle a. Inside parenthesis I have 6m, I have negative 4c, and I have positive 2, right? So I will rewrite the problem because I see the negative. So I would say a times 6m plus negative 4c plus 2. Okay, then I will take a times 6m plus a times negative 4c plus a times 2. A times 6m is 48m. A times negative 4c, which equals negative 32c, and I dropped out the addition, and 8 times 2 is 16. Okay, so you can try the other three. Alright, this is the state question. Okay, so they give you 6 times x minus 4. So first of all, you need to simplify it. 6 times x minus 4 is going to be 6 times x plus 6 times negative 4, right? So 6 times x is 6x, and 6 times negative 4 is negative 24. Are you with me? So now we need to do all the answer, and we get to the answer. Okay, so we can start with 2 times 3x minus 12. So we can get 2 times 3x plus 2 times negative 12. So it's going to be 6x minus 24, right? And it is the same, so we pick it. The next one we're going to do is 2 times 3x plus 12. So 2 times 3x plus 2 times positive 12. And then we get 6x plus 24, and it is not the same, so we cross them out. And then we test another one, 3 times 2x minus a, and 3 times 2x plus a. So we need to test those two. So 3 times 2x minus a, which equal 6x minus 24. Okay, because this is 3 times 2x plus 3 times negative a, and that's equal 6x minus 24. The next one is 3 times 2x plus a, and then we can take is 3 times 2x plus 3 times a, and that equals 6x plus 24. So we're gonna pick the third one and we eliminate the last one. Okay, another type of the question we have is if they give you the expression 6x minus 24 already, then you need to simplify this one. It's gonna be 6 times x plus 6 times negative 4. Okay, and it's gonna be 6x minus 24. It is the same. Next one, 2 times 3x plus 2 times negative 24. 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times negative 24 is negative 48, and it is not the same, so we cross them. Then the next one we have is 3 times 2x plus 3 times negative a. 3 times 2x is 6x minus 24, and we pick it. And the last one we have is 3 times 2x plus 3 times negative 21, and 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times negative 21 is negative 63, so we don't pick it. Thank you so much for watching.